The video you're watching right now, I didn't edit it. An AI system built it. The script, the voice, the footage, the captions, even the thumbnail. All of it. And right now I'm going to show you the exact machine that did it. By the end of this video, you'll understand the whole system, end to end, and exactly how to start building your own version of it tonight. Theory, not AI will change everything someday. A real, working factory that turns a single topic into a finished, published-ready video while I go make coffee. I'm going to show you the framework, the pipeline, and the one design decision that makes the whole thing reliable instead of a pile of broken AI experiments. Stick with me, because this is the part nobody else will explain properly. So, let's talk about why most faceless channels die. Faceless content looks easy from the outside. It is not. It's a grind. For every single video you have to research the topic, write a script, record or generate a voiceover, find the footage, cut it all together, sync the captions, design a thumbnail, and quality check the whole thing. That's 3, 4, sometimes 6 hours per video. Do that every day and you burn out in about 2 weeks. And the cruel part is the algorithm rewards volume. It wants you posting constantly. So you're stuck choosing between burning out or falling behind. That's the real reason people quit. Not lack of ideas. The sheer manual labor of it. So I stopped doing the labor. I built a system to do the labor for me. I call it WAT. Workflows, agents, tools, 3 layers, and the magic is entirely in how they're split. Let me walk you through it. Layer 1 is workflows. These are just plain English playbooks written in Markdown. Step-by-step instructions, the same way I'd brief a new employee. Here's how we make a science video. Here's how we make an anime recap. Boring, readable text files. The beauty of that is anyone can read them and edit them. No code required. If I want to change how a video gets made, I edit the instructions, not a program. Layer 2 is the agent. This is the brain. It's an AI, in my case Claude, and its only job is to read the workflow, make the decisions, and orchestrate every step in the right order. When something breaks, the agent reads the error, figures out what went wrong, and either fixes it or asks me. It's not a dumb script following a list. It actually reasons. Layer 3 is tools. These are tiny Python scripts that do the actual deterministic work. Call an API, transform a file, run ffmpeg. Each one does one small job, the exact same way every single time. The point of the tools is that they never improvise. A script that stitches video doesn't have a creative opinion. It just does the job identically on video 1 and video 1000. Here's the analogy that makes it click. The AI agent is the manager. The Python scripts are the assembly line. The manager thinks, plans, and decides. The assembly line just executes flawlessly over and over. You never want the manager personally welding the car. Workflows tell it what to do. The agent decides how to do it. The tools actually do it. That clean separation is everything. And this split is the whole secret to why it actually works. If you let the AI guess at every single step, the errors stack up fast. Say each step is 90% accurate. That sounds great, right? Run 5 steps in a row and you're down to 59%. The whole video falls apart. So, I do the opposite. The AI only handles reasoning, the fuzzy creative judgment, and I offload all the execution to code that hits 100% every time. That's how you keep quality high at volume. Okay, let me actually run it. Watch what happens when I hand the system a topic. Step 1, I pick a topic and the agent researches it and fact-checks the key claims. No made-up numbers, no garbage facts. It pulls real sources first, the same way a good writer would before they touch the keyboard. This one step is why my videos don't get flagged for nonsense. The facts are verified before a single word of script exists. Step 2, it writes the script. Tight, structured, in the channel's voice, using only the facts it just verified. Step 3. It generates the voiceover. The same AI text-to-speech you're hearing right now reads the script out loud. No microphone, no recording booth, no retakes. Step 4. It sources the visuals. Depending on the channel that's real stock footage or AI-generated images, or for my anime recaps, the creator's own manga screenshots, cut and cleaned automatically. And it's picky about it. The system enforces a rule that every shot has to be distinct. No lazy reusing the same clip 5 times to fill a gap. It hunts down a fresh visual for every beat. Step 5. It stitches everything together with FFmpeg. The script, the voice, the footage, all lined up on a timeline, frame by frame. Step 6. It burns in the captions, word for word synced to the voice. Then it lays down a royalty-safe music bed, ducked under the narration so the voice always sits on top. Step 7. It auto-generates 2 thumbnails so I can A/B test which one gets the click. And then comes my favorite part, the quality gates. Before anything is allowed to publish, the system runs automated checks. Did any footage repeat? Is a clip off topic? Is the audio broken or clipping? If any check fails, the video is blocked. It does not go out. The robot literally refuses to ship its own bad work, which is more than I can say for a lot of human editors. Think about how powerful that is. The most common reason a faceless video flops is some sloppy mistake the creator was too tired to catch at midnight. My system catches it every time because it never gets tired, and it never skips the checklist. When every gate goes green, it delivers the finished MP4. Done. And here's the holy shit moment. That whole pipeline I just described, it didn't run once. It runs across multiple channels at the same time. A science channel, an anime recap channel. Different formats, different voices, different visual styles, all coming off the same machine. I sit down, I approve a few topics, and the factory does the rest. The video pops out, gates all green, ready to upload. That's the leverage nobody talks about. A solo creator makes one channel work and calls it a full-time job. The same system, running on autopilot, can feed several at once. Let me be straight with you, because honesty matters here. This is not a magic money button, and I'm not going to insult you by pretending it is. A human still sits at the top. I pick the topics, I approve the direction. I'm the taste and the judgment. The system does the heavy lifting and the volume, and that's the actual unfair advantage. It's not some secret trick, it's volume and consistency. I can make far more videos, far more reliably than any solo creator grinding by hand. In a game where the algorithm rewards whoever shows up the most, consistently, a machine that never gets tired is a serious edge. While other creators are deciding whether they have the energy to make today's video, mine is already 3 videos deep and asking for the next topic.
So, how do you start building your own? I packaged the exact starting point into a free starter kit. My 7 title formulas that get the click, plus the 1 prompt that writes your whole script. Grab it from the link in the description. And if you want the complete system, the full blueprint, the prompt vault, the workflows, the tool stack, and 3 done-for-you channel templates, I put all of it into one no-code pack called the Faceless AI Content Machine for €37. It's the difference between getting handed a blueprint and getting handed the whole machine, no coding required. You skip the months of trial and error I went through. Now I'll be straight with you, because I won't make claims I can't back. This is a system, not a guarantee. What you earn depends on your niche, your effort, and your consistency. I'm handing you the machine. What you build with it is on you. But the leverage is real. The same hour that used to make 1 video can now oversee 10. If you want more builds like this, the actual systems, not the hype, subscribe. This channel is made by the machine it teaches. Grab the free starter kit in the description and start building tonight. I'll see you in the next one.